Hi everyone, happy weekend. So this is Nedji Ritoriano. Lately, marami akong nakukuhang inquiries sa ating Facebook page asking how to become a reservist. So kung makikita nga ninyo, part ng vlog ko is actually advocating yung hukbong pang-reserba ng Pilipinas or the hukbong laang kawal. So, I'll try my best to answer those, pero bibigyan ko lang po kayo ng pinaka-basic na procedures and hints on how to become a reservist based sa knowledge na meron ako. So, una, i-define muna natin kung para dun sa mga bago, sa mga wala pang idea kung ano yung mga reservist or ano yung laang kawal. So, technically, under Republic Act 7077 or kahit nung time pa ng Commonwealth, time ni Manuel L. Quezon, meron talagang batas na nagsasaad na hindi lang tungkulin ng bansa ang protektahan ng kanyang mamamayan. Instead, it's an other way around. It's the responsibility of the citizens of the country to protect its country. So before, if you're going to browse to the history, meron talagang naging meron talagang naging batas na minamandatory ang mga lalaki na maging kasapi sa citizen armed forces. Yun yung unang term nila. So actually dito naman sa present status quo, meron po tayong batas na tinawag na Republic Act 7077 known as the Reservist Act. So, yung mga reservists, sila yung mga extraordinaryong mamamayang Pilipino na namiling maglingkod voluntarily sa hukbong sandatahang ng Pilipinas bilang isang kasapi ng hukbong pang-reserva or ng laang kawal. So, sila, they are not really performing military duties full-time. So, kung makikita nyo, pwede pa rin nilang i-practice yung mga profession nila. Kung meron silang kanyang-kanyang trabaho personally, they can do that. Tapos, meron lang silang a certain day in a week or in a month or whenever they are called na magkakapagsuot sila ng uniforme to serve the armed forces of the Philippines. So, meron rin tatlong branches or tatlong branch of service yung hukbong laang kawal. We have the Army, we also have the Navy and the Air Force. So these are administered by the reserve commands of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. So ito yung mga units na namamahala sa kanila. So, dun sa mga nagtatanong, ano ba yung mga basic requirement for you to become a reservist? So, first, at least you're 18 years old, you're physically fit, and at least high school graduate. So, napaka-basic lang ng ating requirements, no? And mag-undergo ba ng training? Of course, yes, there is a basic, there's a training for them. We call that basic citizen military training. Pero dun sa mga nagnanais na maging reservist na meron ng ROTC or nakapag-undergo ng basic ROTC nung college sila, there will no longer be doing a separate training kasi that is already enough that's already one of the training that is also honored if you would be joining the reserve force. So yun, if you think yourself is qualified for or is eligible to become a reservist, so what's next? I would really suggest that you go to the nearest community defense center in the area. To those who are aspiring as a member of the Army Reserve Forces, unfortunately, I don't have any information yet on if that's the same process with Navy and Air Force. Kung yun ba yung recruitment process nila. But for the for the Army kasi or the Reserve Command Philippine Army, they have established a community defense centers across all the provinces in the country. In fact, if you're going to go to their Facebook page. So, kung nakikita nyo tong Facebook page nila, you do your own research. This year, they have been looking forward to establish a community defense center even doon sa Batanes and sa Basilan area. So, marami ako nakikita sa comment section na they are really pushing na parang saan daw sila mag-apply online, ganyan, or they wanted to push through their application via phone call or via online, ganyan. You have to understand na in the military organization, the environment and the culture is very different. So, sabi nga nila, ang rango at ang uniform, hindi siya basta-bastang parang kinuha mo lang. I mean, kailangan siyang paghirapan. So, I would suggest for you to be entertained, no, try to go or to report physically to the nearest community defense center sa area. So, ang maganda pa sa physical reporting kasi, kaya ko to palaging ini-emphasize dito sa content na to, kasi they themselves, I mean, also wanted to assess your commitment on how committed you are sa reservice. So, if you're trying to apply personally or by personally reporting to their office, or they can assess yung dedication mo, and also wag natin kalimutan, first impression last. So they can gauge kung ano yung attitude mo towards the service, gaano ka committed, and are you really dedicated, and are you really 100% to take on the challenge as a reservist. Kasi sabi nga nila, if you're gonna wear uniform, it really entails responsibility. So, hindi siya yung parang basta mo na lang damit na para mo lang sinuot na parang, okay, so reservist ako, ganyan. No, it's not. Once you're wearing that, you are already bearing a responsibility na kasama rin doon yung of course, yung integrity mo, mababago, ganyan. So, especially if you're already trained na. Sa training kasi, they emphasize really on the discipline, the respect, ganyan. So, yun yung kailangan nating tatandaan. So, that's it. And by the way, if you're going to report there, bring na the following documents. Una, ID. Kailangan talaga yan. Pangalawa, yung mga initial documents like your birth certificate. Tapos, also, kung ikaw naman ay kung ikaw naman pala ay nakapag-undergo ng basic ROTC during your college time, kung pupunta ka doon, bring na your TOR or the certificate or graduation certificate nyo nung graduate kayo for basic ROTC. So remember, kailangan 2 semester kayo nakapag-undergo, the first sem and second sem. Baka kasi sabihin nyo na, I already undergo first semester, pwede na, exempted na ba ako sa training? No. When we say basic ROTC, it should be the ROTC subject, the MS1 and MS2 offered in first semester and second semester. So, kailangan na-complete mo yung 2 semester na yun as in the ROTC. So yun, good luck to everyone na mag-a-apply, and please update me kung if you're already part of the reserve force, ganyan, and please don't forget to to follow my Facebook page for more details. So good luck po sa inyo, and God bless.